So we're reacting to Holland, Neverland, and he's the first
openly gay
openly gay idol. We have like 2 gay friends.
2.
We're hanging out with one of them later. I should show him this video so maybe he could get into K-pop. He'd be like, wow.
If you're not 19 and older, you can't watch
this. I'm sorry.
Exactly. I'm so sorry. I want to see his face already. Come on.
I like the beat.
Ooh, there he is. It's very like soothing. Oh, that's why it's 19 and over.
Oh, he has a cute face. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute.
A cute little smile.
근데 그건 당연한 게 아닐까 지금까지 들어왔던 말들 듣기 싫어도 반복됐던 그 말들 안 들어도 돼 이제는 그래도 될 것 같아.
Oh, it's so cute.
Must be nice. Ooh, I like his beret. Really chill. Ooh.
Oh.
That's so cute.
The first time I've seen something like this in the K-pop world. The way they look at each other.
Yeah.
근데 그건 당연한 게 아닐까 지금까지 들어왔던 말들 듣기 싫어도 반복됐던 그 말들 안 들어도 돼 이제는 그래도 될 것 같아 내 손을 잡아주겠니 창밖으로 나가
Hey, alcohol.
찾아서 fly I could be your love but never mind
Oh, they're fighting! They're fighting!
Oh, we don't know how it feels like. We've never been in a relationship.
I know. Must be nice. Wow, must be nice. Oh my gosh! They're really going for it! They're really going for it! They're like little children.
What the? Wow, the sky's really pretty. That was good.
When she told me his name, I was like, oh, is he from Holland?
When did this come out? This came out yesterday and it already has 1.5 million views. Like, that's really, really good. He's getting like more positive feedback. Like,
I like this song.
Yeah.
It's very chill. It's like a song that you would listen to while you're like trying to go to sleep or something. Bye!